Hello friends, this is Kuldeep Kaur Taliwal. This video is special for the B.Sc third medical students. So let's start with the lesson. Today's topic is diffusion pressure deficit. Okay, what is diffusion pressure? Diffusion pressure can be defined as the potential ability of molecule or ion to diffuse from one area to another area. Simply, what is this? This is the capacity to diffuse. Okay, do just this definition, leave the rest of things. And what are the factors influencing the diffusion? The diffusion is affected by temperature. More will be the temperature, more will be the diffusion. Density is inversely proportional to diffusion. Medium in which the diffusion occurs, medium in which the diffusion occur will also responsible for the rate of diffusion, because denser will be the medium, lesser will be the diffusion, or less denser will be the medium, higher will be the diffusion. It is depend upon the concentration of a medium. Higher the concentration, lesser will be the diffusion. Next is diffusion pressure gradient. How much gradient is developed from the two medium? Suppose one medium is very much denser and another is very much rare. One is very much denser and another one is very much rare. So the movement will be so much high, the rate of diffusion will be very fast. Next is significance of diffusion. The exchange of gases, for example carbon dioxide intake, oxygen output in photosynthesis, and CO2 output and oxygen intake in respiration, both are depend upon the diffusion. Both are based on principle of independent diffusion. The process of diffusion is involved in transpiration of water vapors. The transpiration is also a type of diffusion. The ions are absorbed by simple diffusion during passive salt uptake. When plant uptake salt or water with salt, it is also depend upon diffusion. The diffusion is effective means of transport of substances over a very short distance and help in translocation of food materials. For example, the nutrients or food materials are very high in case of leaves, so the food material will diffuse to the other plants, plant part. The food will distribute with the help of diffusion. These are some difference between the diffusion and bulk flow. This is not very important, just go through it or leave it. Don't learn it or no need to cram it. Just you should know what is diffusion, what is bulk flow. Diffusion is just movement of molecule from its higher concentration to lower concentration. This is also similar, but it is movement to single direction. Toward bulk flow occur in one direction, but diffusion occur in all directions. Next is osmosis. Osmosis is net diffusion of water molecule from dilute solution to concentrated solution when the two are separated by means of semi-permeable membrane. Okay, there are two definitions. If we are taking water molecule, then there will be movement from low to dilute concentration or low concentration to high concentration. And when we are talking about solvent, then the movement will be from higher to lower concentration. When we read this definition, when the two solution having different osmotic concentration are separated by means of semi-permeable membrane, molecule of water move from region of their higher chemical potential to its lower chemical potential. Semi-permeable membrane is a very important point of osmosis. Osmosis occur through semi-permeable membrane. It is movement of higher concentration of solvent to the lower concentration, towards the lower concentration of solvent through semi-permeable membrane. That's all friends. I will make further videos for the B.Sc medical final year plant physiology. It start raining. I have to go. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.